was tabled in the State Assembly on 15th of February 2024. This performance audit comes up with numerous findings that exposes the Congress government in the erstwhile United Andhra Pradesh and BRS government in Telangana also. So on 8th of June 2025, Irrigation Minister Janab Uttam Kumar Reddy Saab says that the previous Congress government in United AP has spent 6,156 crores in Pranahita Chivalla before the formation of Telangana, and today too I heard him repeating the same, sir. Subsequently, the BRS government has spent 5,523 crores during 2014 and 16. According to Uttam Kumar Reddy Saab, the expenditure incurred on Pranahita Chivalla project is rupees 11,679 crores before the BRS government abandoned this project and opted for Kaleshwaram project at Madigada. However, Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, the CAG performance audit revealed that only 878 crores spent on Pranahita Chivalla project till 2016 remain unproductive. I would like the Honorable Irrigation Minister Saab to clarify on this, sir. Sir, there are some observations, key observation of CAG performance audit on Kaleshwaram project. So before going on that, sir, there are few points which I request the Honorable Minister Saab to kindly, give some clarification, sir. Sir, I was going through, and when I speak, sir, I make sure that I speak. Sir, I was going through this demands number 33, sir. Sir, in this, sir, Uttam Kumar Reddy, Minister for Irrigation and CAD, sir. Sir, in this, sir, Uttam Kumar Reddy साहब मैं सुन रहा था, he was saying that कि 1 एकड़ भी ये कालेश्वरम के पानी से नहीं हुआ, कुछ फायदा नहीं हुआ, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. Sir, when you say something, whatever the government is saying, it should reflect in the books. Sir, I am sorry to say, sir, when we see the demands, sir, page number 32, Kaleshwaram project technical details. मैं देख रहा था, सर, कि बहुत देर लड़ाई हुई कि इसको मड्डीगड्ढा क्यों लाया गया, वो जगह पे क्यों नहीं रखा गया, इधर से सवाल हुआ, यहां से ये जवाब देने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, थोड़ा वक्त लिया हरीश राव साहब ये जवाब देने के लिए. I was noticing, sir. But when we see the page number 32, sir, Kaleshwaram project technical details, the following are the various objectives. Diversion of 195 TMC of Godavari waters to Sripada Yalampalli project and subsequently to Mid-Mane reservoir by lifting it to the land of higher contour which is found to be economically viable to bring large extent of land in the basin under irrigation. To create an ayakut of about 19.63 acres in 14 districts of Karimnagar, Rajanna, Sirsala, Jagtial, Nirmal, Pedapalli, Siddipet, Medar, Yadadri and all, sir. अब आप इसमें देखते हैं, सर, ये बुक में बोल रहे हैं कि पानी से 1 इंच जमीन नहीं हुई, एक भी किसान को फायदा नहीं मिला. फिर ये बुक क्या है, सर? ये, sir, I really fail to understand. Shall I believe what the Honorable Minister has said, or I should believe the books which have been tabled in this house? Sir, इसमें लिखा हुआ है करीमनगर में आयाकुत एकड़ 800, स्टेबलाइजेशन एकड़ 2,51,156, राजन्ना सिरसिल्ला आयाकुत एकरेज 1,66,199, stabilization 9,289, Siddipet 3,28,907. The total ayakut is 19,63,360. Stabilization total is 18,83,375, sir. Further, if I have to go, sir, there are so many observations here, sir, 10 pages in the demand. So I really fail to understand as to what are we debating on and why are we debating on, sir, when already the demands are there. And simply we waste the time, sir. So the Minister Saab says that the Kaleshwaram projects work were divided into 7 links and 28 packages to convey water to command area spread over seen erstwhile district of Telangana to component such as canal, tunnels, lift irrigation reservoir, distribution network, irrigation. Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, मैं इस बहस में नहीं जाना चाहता, सर, कि सही हुआ, गलत हुआ, अच्छा हुआ, बुरा हुआ, करप्शन हुआ, नहीं हुआ, लूटने वाले लूटे, खाने वाले खाए, नहीं खाए. मेरा एक ही सवाल का जवाब दे दीजिए. क्या आप कालेश्वरम को अबैंडन कर रहे हैं क्या? If it is wrong, if it is bad, are you going to scrap that project, end that project, stop that project? अरे इसका तो जवाब दीजिए सर। सर आई मीन आई वुड से दैट स्टेट का इतना पैसा उसमें लग गया है, अब हमको उसको सही करना है। डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल्स, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कैनाल्स को लाना है विथ विच द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ वाटर कैन हैपन थ्रू ग्रेविटी। आर वी गोइंग टू स्टॉप दिस? आर वी गोइंग टू पुट दिस ऑन होल्ड? व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू डू? I would like to ask Honorable Minister, my learned friend, you're talking about bringing waters to Musi also, rejuvenating Musi. फिर आप बताइए ये पानी कहां से लाने वाले हैं सर?
Sir, my learned friend and good friend of mine, OIC Saab, has asked a pertinent question. Sir, we are waiting for a report from the Dam Safety Authority. And after the report comes, we will take their suggestions and try to move on. Because we are not, we take opinion, suggestions from the technical guys, unlike the last government, which on their own discretion, they have constructed this project and what had happened after the project has been constructed. So we are waiting for the Dam Safety Authority report. After the professionals give the report, our officers and our government will act on it and see how best we can try to, put in the resources what we have spent in terms of rupees, 1 lakh crore rupees. So we will try to see, because we have left it for the Dam Safety Authority, which is a national Parliament Statute Act which has come into being, and they have to give us the final recommendation. On that we will go away.
Speaker, sir, I thank, through you, sir, I thank the Honorable Minister Sridhar Babu Saab for replying to my very important question, sir, and I'm happy that he replied it. Sir, going further ahead, sir, there are also some, I would like to just end, sir, the Irrigation Minister Sahab now says that the project is useless and unviable and not a single acre is irrigated through its waters. I thank the Sridhar Babu for giving me this reply, but I was hearing these were the sentences of the Irrigation Minister Sahab, saying that project is useless, unviable, and not a single acre is irrigated through its waters. अब ये मिनिस्टर साहब एक जवाब दे रहे, शुक्रिया साहब आपका, वो मिनिस्टर साहब जब उनका वक्त था तो ये बोले। खैर ये वैसी है सर, जैसा बुक में एक रहता है बोलते हैं एक है, तो अब कोई बात नहीं सर। ओके सर। Sir, I would also like to know whether the government is going to, about this, sir, when I say that, sir, I was going through this book, sir. ये 3 बुक्स है सर, इसमें ये लास्ट जो था इसमें थोड़े से ऑब्जर्वेशंस और उसके हैं, तो आई कुडंट रीड ऑल द बुक्स, बट ये इसमें थोड़े इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स थे, आई वाज रीडिंग सर. Sir, when I was reading, sir, so the terms of reference of the commission were not comprehensive, and this was the reason cited by the commission for refraining from taking into consideration of the reports of CAG. Sir, इसमें मैं पढ़ रहा था सर, इसमें लिखा हुआ है. I don't know if you're going to allow me the time, sir. I have all the pages. I can read it, sir. Where Justice Saab, the commission is saying, sir, we do not want to comment on that because it is not in our term of reference. Sir, we were talking about, sir, इतने लोग, इतनी देर से मैं सुन रहा था, सर, सारे लोग बहुत एक दूसरे से झगड़ रहे थे, एक दूसरे को क्लैरिफाई कर रहे थे, गुस्से में आ रहे थे, इधर से भी. And you know, sir, they were talking about vigilance and enforcement report, National Dam Safety Authority, अभी आप बोले, report of expert committee, report on damages of Kaleshwaram project, CAG. लेकिन सर मैं आपके थ्रू गवर्नमेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा सर कि एक डिस्कशन रखिए सर, जहां पे आप CAG परफॉर्मेंस ऑडिट रिपोर्ट भी रखिए, आप कालेश्वरम विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट रिपोर्ट भी रखिए, नेशनल डैम सेफ्टी अथॉरिटी की रिपोर्ट भी रखिए, एक्सपर्ट कमेटी की रिपोर्ट भी रखिए, और हमारे पास यहां टेबल करने से पहले मैं ये बोलूंगा कि आप घोष साहब को भी दे दीजिए और टर्म्स ऑफ रेफरेंस को चेंज कर बोलिए कि ये सारे चीजों को आप ले लीजिए, इनको लेकर करिए. सर, द रीजन इज दैट, सर, इसमें यहां पे घोष कमेटी, सर, इसमें बोलते हैं, सर, They are clearly saying that कि विजिलेंस गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से हमको लेटर आया, विजिलेंस ये बोली है कि सारे कागजात हम लेके गए हैं, इनके पास कुछ भी नहीं है. इट इज देयर इन दिस बुक सर. तो सवाल ये है कि सर आप एक कमीशन को अपॉइंट करते हैं, टर्म्स ऑफ रेफरेंसेस को आप स्ट्रांग नहीं करते हैं, तो हाउ वुड अ कमीशन हैव अ रियल इंक्वायरी? सर आई रियली फेल सर गोइंग फर्दर अहेड सर. सर इफ आई हैव टू गो फर्दर अहेड सर, I would also say, sir, so the CAG noted that the Kaleshwaram project was likely to exceed from 1,47,247 crores as against cost of 89,911 crores projected to Central Water Commission. CAG audit report on Kaleshwaram has pointed out that the government has not accorded administrative approvals of the project as a whole, and instead it has issued separate approvals as many as 73 for an aggregate amount of 1,10,248 crores, or the total expenditure of 86,788 crores incurred in this project in the March 2022, and expenditure of 55,807 crores are met from the off-budget borrowing raised by Kaleshwaram Irrigation Project Corporation Limited, sir. Sir, they have given many observations, sir. Sir, क्योंकि वक्त नहीं है, काफी देर हो गई, so I'm just, not going into more detail, sir. But yes, sir. Sir, I don't know, sir, how could it happen before the copy? One important, sir, I always raise this, sir. Sir, through you, sir, I would like to bring to the notice of Honorable Legislative Affairs Minister Saab, Sridhar Babu Saab also, sir. Sir, in March 2024, sir, the present government has appointed a one-man inquiry commission headed by former Chief Justice AP High Court, retired Supreme Court, वो लोकपाल के पनकी चंद्रा घोष को अपॉइंट करे, sir. Commission submitted its report on government on 31st July, sir. Sir, now, sir. Sir, आप intervene करना है, sir. ये बार-बार की आदत बन गई है, sir. Sir, इसमें देखिए कि however, even before the state cabinet discussed the commission report on 4th of August, findings of the commission report were widely reported in the print and electronic media of several days prior to the release of the presentation of commission report and its executive summary by the government. सर ये बताइए क्या है सर ये? तो is it के intentionally the government is leaking the report to the media, sir? Is it fair, sir? So what is the privilege of the cabinet? What is the privilege of this house, sir? Sir, we as a legislatures, we do not know what is there in the report because the report is not tabled, but the journalists and the newspaper and the media houses, they get to know before us. No, sir, it came before, sir. That is what I am saying, sir. It came before. It came before, sir. Sir, before the copy of the inquiry commission report is tabled in the legislature and with the action taken report of the government, the publication and telecast of exact finding of commission before the cabinet meeting clearly constitute a breach of privilege of this august house, sir. This is very important, sir. Nobody is talking about this, sir. Sir, there is a privilege of this house, sir. There is the honor of this house, sir. There is a privilege of the chair. There is a privilege of the members of this house, sir. तो आप बताइए सर, बाहर वालों को मालूम हो जाता है, हम लेजिस्लेटर्स को बाद में मालूम होता है. So this is why, sir, this needs to be taken care, sir. Going into specifics, I may point out the terms of reference, including inquiry into negligence, irregularity, lacuna in planning, designing, construction. All of these are there, sir. Sir, मैं उसको omit कर रहा हूं, sir. Not going into detail, sir. Sir, the commission concluded that the entire project was characterized by the rampant and brazen procedural financial irregularities. It recommended recovery of rupees 6.78 crores. Nobody spoke, sir. I was listening to so many members over here, BRS हो, या दूसरे हो, BJP हो, या कांग्रेस की तरफ से, nobody said, sir. Sir, आपको सुन के खुद हैरत होगी, स्पीकर साहब. Sir, कमीशन में घोष साहब इसमें recommend करे हैं to recover only 6.78 crores paid to WAPCOS Water and Power Consultancy Services India Limited from the responsible official who brushed aside the WAPCOS report. Please see the page number 638, sir. यहाँ पर 638 पेज नंबर है सर रिपोर्ट में. इसमें क्लियरली कह रहे हैं सर, द कंसर्न इंजीनियर एंड चीफ इंजीनियर्स ऑफ द डैम सेफ्टी डिवीजन ऑफ सेंट्रल डिजाइन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन शैल बी लायबल फॉर फेलियर टू टेक सब स्टेप्स, सर. और इसमें बोल रहे हैं कि उनसे पैसे लेने के लिए, सर. तो सर मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाह रहा हूं सर आपके जरिए, जरा इरिगेशन मिनिस्टर साहब या जो भी मिनिस्टर्स हैं सर वो मुझे जवाब दें। यहां पे कमीशन रिपोर्ट बोल रही है कि 6.78 करोड़ उनसे रिकवर कर लो। मैं आपसे पूछना चाह रहा हूं ये कमीशन पे कितना पैसा खर्चे सर, आप कितना पैसा खर्चे सर? सर एक 3 करोड़ तो खर्चा हुआ होगा ना सर? So now the question arises, Commission is giving us a report, recover 6.78 crores. We might have almost spent some 2.5 crores or more than that. Flights हुए होंगे, आना होगा, जाना होगा, ठीक है कम होगा। चलिए आप बोल दीजिए कितना है? Sir, I really fail to understand, sir.